Okay, so this is the Glock 43. It's 9mm. I picked it up a couple of days ago. It comes with two 6-round single stack mags, and I picked up a extra one while I was there. One of the mags has a additional finger groove on it that does not add any more rounds to it, but it's a little extension just to get your last finger on it. So it helps get let your pinky get on it a little bit more. Without that, then your pinky kind of goes underneath it like that. I got it for my wife. She has pretty small fingers. I think she has a like size 4 ring fingers, so they're pretty small, and so I thought she could probably grip this a little bit better. It's about the same length as a Glock 26, but it is a little bit more narrow, and so let's check the trigger pull on it. Okay, so let's check the trigger pull on this and see what we get. Get this out. There's 6 pounds, 8 ounces, 8.5 ounces. They don't look a whole lot different. The critical duty's a little bit heavier. Looks like it may be a little bit longer. It's time for apple juice shoot now. One critical defense versus apple juice. Critical defense versus chicken noodle soup. Okay. Got a little noodle on the GoPro. That's always good. Peanut butter with one of these. Grilling beans versus critical defense. Okay, all these were one shot. There's the beans. Alright, did a job on those. And the Campbell's chicken noodle soup. Must be a softer can. And then this is the exit side of the peanut butter. So it emptied a lot of the peanut butter. Let's see how fast we can spin this little gizmo. Let's hit some of those further out there. Get that one way out there. Got it. Okay, so I'm going to try to shoot this relatively fast at this piece of steel and just see what kind of control, how hard it is to keep my same grip without having to change my grip. Here we go. Let's try that again. I've got 3 mags. Go through them pretty fast. And we'll do one-handed.